Zoho CRM Honest Review. Watch before using. Zoho CRM is an all-in-one customer relationship management tool that caters to businesses of all sizes. With a range of features designed to streamline sales, marketing, and customer support, it promises to make your CRM experience efficient and effective. It's ideal for small to medium-sized businesses looking for an affordable, scalable solution that can grow with them. Zoho CRM offers a powerful suite of tools, including lead management, sales automation, marketing automation, and analytics. It also integrates with popular third-party tools like Google Workspace, MailChimp, and QuickBooks, making it highly versatile. The user interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate, but the true strength of Zoho CRM lies in its customization capabilities. Users can create custom workflows, automate repetitive tasks, and tailor the platform to suit their specific needs. The platform also offers robust reporting features, which allow businesses to track performance and gain insights into sales trends, customer behavior, and much more. If you're running a sales team, Zoho CRM offers detailed sales pipeline management, complete with features like task reminders, document storage, and team collaboration tools. The mobile app also ensures you can manage customer relationships on the go, with full access to key CRM functionalities. However, no tool is without its drawbacks. While Zoho CRM offers a lot of features, the learning curve can be steep for beginners. With so many customization options, it may take time to fully master the system. Additionally, some users report that the platform can feel a bit overwhelming due to its complex setup and occasional glitches with integrations. Also, while Zoho CRM offers a free tier, the more advanced features come with a cost, so you'll need to decide whether the premium plan is worth the investment for your business. Overall, Zoho CRM is a powerful tool for businesses seeking an affordable, feature-packed CRM solution. It excels at lead management, sales automation, and customization, but may require a bit of time to get used to, especially for those new to CRM systems. If you're looking for an affordable, flexible CRM with a solid feature set, Zoho CRM could be the right choice for you. Just be prepared for a learning curve, and make sure to assess if the premium features align with your business needs.